Migao mar thieth olando ni dos 10,700 mag chanjo mar tuo mar Mpox osedonjo e pachoka mar geng'o landruok mar tuono mosemako ji maromo 67. Chanjogo ibiro ti godo kanyakla kod yore mamoko mag gayo landruok tuono ahinya kuonde 26 midonjogo e pachoka. Nyaka ne Mpox muoje e pachoka oselandore e counties ka kuom ji ma osemako 49 kuomgi osechango, 10 medo yudo thieth e osiptende ka mamoko biro yudo thieth pacho. Ng'at achiel ema osewito ngimane kaluwore kod tuo mar Mpox. Ibiro chiwe mokuongo ne jogo manyalo game mayot moting'o joriemb trela e safar maboyo, jo-ohand opamo kod jochiw thieth mathiedho jotuo mag Mpox.
Careful planning at this point is paramount to make sure that the vaccines get to the people who are most at risk and who need it most, including those people who are living with HIV. Our hope is that this is the first shipment of more to come, and CDC pledges our support to continue to stand with the Ministry of Health as they prevent, detect, and respond to all infectious disease threats, including Mpox.
Mpox is zoonotic, and there's a reminder that human health is tied to animals and the environment. And a request and an urge to all of us to adopt the One Health approach. And that calls for a close collaboration between the veterinary department, environmental health department, and the health sectors to prevent future threats.
The Africa CDC remains deeply committed to strengthening surveillance, diagnostics, case management systems in Kenya across all your regions. We understand that responding to public health threats requires more than just vaccines.
We are very proud to see that today these 10,700 doses are finally reaching Kenya. It's a first delivery, but it's a first moment that adds one more weapon to our collective fight against this disease.
With this allocation, Kenya joins other countries such as Democratic Republic of Congo and Rwanda that have already started Mpox vaccinations. And the Ministry of Health will begin rolling out this vaccine in the coming months, prioritizing high-risk groups in 13 counties currently reporting confirmed Mpox cases. And these high-risk groups include individuals who have had close contact with confirmed Mpox cases,